And he's the younger brother nga. Itong si Tony Inot, kita mo naman, pareho halos ang galaw in the open court. And kakasabi mo lang, Coach Melo, high clip ang shooting for that layup para kay Bohol. Julio also giving us a nice fake. He will be fouled, heads to the line for a couple. Patient play right there mula dito kay Julio, getting his defender up in the air to get this foul. First trip to the free throw line para dito sa Cavite City. Of course, Cavite City and Surhomes Leyte, both 1-1 to begin their season, but both coming off victories. As we spoke about earlier, itong Surhomes Leyte, parang napaka-recent ng kanilang latest na panalo. Kahapon lang sa Niagara Industrial. Maybe some momentum that they could carry. Another opportunity. Julio challenges the defense as Vidanes will be whistled for a personal. Julio has been very active here sa simula ng ating ball game, making those nice cuts to the basket. And maganda rin sa mga teammates niya, talagang nahahanap siya coming from the weak side. This is second trip already in the free throw line. Medyo undersized yung Cavite if you just look at the size, no? I mean, they're not small, pero mga front line ng Surhomes Leyte dito. One way to kind of help in manufacturing points in the paint is to get them into early foul. Looking ahead, Julio once again will pull up this time. Gets that jumper to go. Julio, strong start. It's a matter of maintaining din naman yung nabuo mong kalamangan ngayon. Nakakuha pa nga sila ng offensive rebound dito and another set of free throws. And if this is Bohol, that would be the third front court player of Surhomes Leyte that will commit 2 fouls here in the first period. In early foul trouble agad itong mga big man ng Leyte. That's something that Cavite City can exploit, especially in the second quarter. Lalo na nga maganda yung kanilang mga weak side movements, ano? Itong kanilang mga big man. Immediately on the other end, Julio steps into this jumper. Sweet looking stroke. 13 now para kay Hemel. Julio, inilapit muna nitong si Julio. Mo, parehong paa yung ginamit mo. Able to create for himself once again is Julio. Couple more free throws coming his way. And that would be Vidanes' third. That is a signal para dito kay Julio to keep attacking dahil nga ngayon kapag nagbalasa ng tao itong Tiger Cubs, probably a smaller guy will go in. Magiging piyesta to sa ilalim para sa kanya. A bit of a late aggressive na attack para sa kanya, pero at least no, matatapos nga nila itong ating first half on a good note. Julio able to score on yet another basket. Make that 15 points now para kay Julio, all in the first. Torrente, kick out. Julio wide open. Gets that 3 to go. Julio hitting on all angles. That's 20 big markers now para kay Julio. Julio has really came here to play, no? Impressing yung kanilang 18 points na itong Leyte. It's another basket. 55 to 40. Julio once again. Inside to Julio. Gets 2 more. 24 na para kay Julio. Gustong pigilan itong Aces Solar and they've done a great job so far dahil nga nakaka 2 fast break points pa lang itong Leyte. Napakasimple pakinggan, Coach Melo, as Julio! That's the type of afternoon for this kid. 29 points na para kay Julio. Unstoppable inside, pero kung titirahan ka pa ng mga ganong step back 3-pointers, talagang ano pang klaseng depensa ang gagawin.